Hello friends, welcome to my channel. In this video we are going to study modes of heat transfer. So friends, let's start. Friends, there are three modes of heat transfer, which are conduction, convection and radiation. Here friends, we will see what explanation of each mode of heat transfer and there some important theoretical information. Let's start with conduction here. Suppose here friends, this is our candle and here it is burning, here it is flame, and this is our conductor. And suppose we have holded this conductor with our bare hand at this point. Initially this conductor is cold, or you can say it have very low temperature. When flame is burning, when candle is burning, this high temperature transfers, this flame temperature transfers at this position due to this flame, that is this part becomes high temperature region, and this high temperature region transfers heat from this high temperature region to towards this, in this direction, that is towards low temperature region. Okay, and here friends, see how it is happened. Suppose here this is our conductor and here here are molecules, these round parts are molecules, okay, of the conductor. And here you can see this is our flame, okay, and this flame transfers heat to these molecules first, and these molecules vibrate about their position here without moving. There is no movement between these molecules, only they vibrate about their mean position, okay, like this, this vibrates, and this vibration transfers heat from these molecules to these. Then again these molecules vibrate about their mean position, then this transfers to this, and again these molecules vibrate about their mean position, and this again transfers to these molecules, and so on further. And we feel here at our bare hand hot, okay. This is called conduction. Conduction especially occurs in solid medium. There is no movement of the molecules, only molecules vibrate about their mean position and transfers heat from high temperature region to the low temperature region, okay. Now let's see the definition and some theoretical part of it. Here friends, heat conduction is a process in which heat is transferred from hot part of the body to the cold part of the body without involving any actual movement of the molecules of the body. As we have seen, this is high part of the hot part of the body, and here it is the low part of the body. Heat is transferred from this position to this position without involving any movement of the molecules, that is movement, that is molecule is here and then goes to here. This is not happening here. It only vibrates about their mean position, that is only this position, okay, here. And further, vibratory motion of the molecules occurs here. As we have seen, it generally takes place in solids only. Heat transfer is due to direct contact with each other, okay. As we have seen here, it is direct contact between flame and this conducting part, and also with our bare hand, okay. This is direct contact. Now let's see the convection here. Here friends, suppose this is our gas and here they are the flames, and this is our container. Inside the container there is a water, as we have seen here. Here friends, this flame transfers heat to this surface of the container. Okay, through conduction, as we have seen here, this hot pan transfers heat to this surface of the water near the base of the pan by through the conduction. Okay, at this layer, as we know friends, when water gets heated, it becomes lightweight and it goes up. In similar way, this layer becomes light and it goes up at the top layer, and the cold water comes down and it gets heated again and again goes up. This water and cold water comes down. This cycle repeats until the all water gets heated. Let's see how it happens. This is our container, and suppose here the first layer of water molecules, this is here second layer of water molecules, here it is third layer of water molecules. Okay, and here, as we know, this container is hot at this point. This surface of the container is hot. This transfers heat to the this molecule surface, this layer of the liquid or water, that is these molecules, and they get hotter, and the movement occurs. This here, these water particles or molecules, after heating, goes up like this. And here, as you can see, this layer moves, or water molecules moves from this position to this position. Here movement of the molecules occurs. Okay, and this layer comes down, that is this water molecules comes down and get heated, and this cycle is repeated. Here, as we have seen friends, molecules transfer from one point to another point, that is in this way. Okay, so as per, this is called convection heat transfer, which is occur in fluids, that is liquid and gases. Okay, now let's see the definition and some theoretical part of it. Here, the heat convection refers to heat transfer that will occur between surface and the adjacent moving medium, liquid or gas, when they are at different temperatures. See here, as we have seen here, this is the surface of the container, and here it is a liquid, and they both are at a different temperature, that is this is at high temperature and water was in the low temperature. And here, as we have seen, this convection heat transfer is due to the combined effect of conduction and fluid motion. As we have seen, there was a conduction heat transfer to this layer, and then there is a fluid motion in upward direction, and here it is downward direction motion, that is here, as we seen, to combined effect of conduction and fluid motion. Okay, generally it takes place in liquids and gases. Okay, now friends, let's see the radiation heat transfer. Okay, see here friends, this is our sun and here it is our earth. Even if they are not in contact, there is a heat transfer through the radiation. Sun emits radiation in all directions, okay, as you know, and this radiation goes on earth also, and earth gets heated due to these radiations. As you can see, there is no any medium to transfer the heat. Here heat is transferred through radiation, as you can see. Suppose, and here see friends, suppose this is our, here take it, this is our gas, and here it is a flame, as you can see. And suppose we keep our hand here at this position, this is our hand. After some time we feel our bare hand getting heat or getting hotter, this is due to the radiation of heat. Okay, the radiation heat transfer. Let's see the theoretical point here. Heat radiation is the process in which heat is transferred from one body to another body without involving molecules of the medium. As you can see here, there is no medium. Here also there is no medium. Does not depend on medium. Okay, as we have seen, energy transfer travel in vacuum can travel. This energy transfer can travel in vacuum also, as we have seen. Further, here all surfaces at finite temperature emit energy in the form of electromagnetic waves or photons as a result of change in electron configuration of the atoms or molecules. Okay, this is called convection, sorry, radiation heat transfer. So friends, in this video we have studied modes of heat transfer, which are conduction, convection, radiation. Thank you friends for watching this video. Like, share and comment for this video and subscribe my channel. Thank you.